Today we are going to train your English voice with comparatives. We can compare two or more things. For example, this toy duck is bigger than this duck. This toy duck is smaller than this duck. To make the comparative form of the adjective, we add er to the end of the adjective or more before the adjective. Let's have a look at the two pictures. We have red apples for £1 per kilo, and we have green apples for £1.50 a kilo. So sentence number 1, the red apples are cheaper. So cheap is the adjective. We added er onto the adjective. Sentence 2, the green apples are more expensive. Expensive is the adjective, and we added more in front of that adjective. To join the two statements in one sentence, add than. So let's have a look. Red apples are cheaper than green apples. Now we are joining those two statements with the word than. Sentence 2, green apples are more expensive than red. So now we are joining two statements into one sentence using the word than. When to use er at the end or more before the adjective. For short words, we use er. For longer words, we use more in front of the adjective. For example, have a look at sentence 1. The red car is bigger. Big. There is only one syllable. It's a short word. Big. So we doubled the last letter G and we added er to the end of the adjective big. Bigger. Have a look at sentence 2. The black car is more stylish. Stylish is the adjective, and it's a longer word. Stylish. It has two syllables, so we cannot say stylisher. That doesn't sound correct. We do not change the adjective, but we add more in front of it. The black car is more stylish. For words ending in y, use er. For words ending in ly, use more in front of that adjective. So have a look at the adjective pretty. We take the y away and we added ier. The garden is prettier with flowers open. Have a look at the adjective quietly. We say people talk more quietly in the library. So we left the adjective ending with ly and we added more in front of it. Next we have irregular forms. Good changes to better, bad changes to worse, and far changes to further. Have a look at sentence 1. The green dress is a better fit than the red one. Sentence 2. The red dress is a worse fit than the green one. Excellent job with comparatives today. Well done. Goodbye.